A modern shower enclosure shouldn't just look good, it really needs to function exceptionally well too. That is precisely why Alca provides stainless steel shower drains that feature a clever rotating trap design. It is the perfect solution for both brand new construction projects and bathroom renovations. The drain body is expertly crafted from highly durable, long-lasting stainless steel. This ensures the drain has a long service life, makes it incredibly sturdy, and perfectly ready for daily use in your bathroom. The primary advantage is the rotating waste trap, which makes it much easier to connect to the waste pipe, even when the bathroom layout isn't exactly ideal. Alca drains are sold in two standard versions, either wall-mounted or floor-mounted options. This flexibility lets you choose a solution based on your bathroom layout and the specific look you want for your shower. The size of the trap will directly affect the total installation height. And there you have it. Depending on the specific requirements of your construction site, you may select a standard installation height of 81 millimeters to the drain flange, providing a flow rate of 50 liters per minute, or alternatively, a low-profile version at 54 millimeters, which offers a flow rate of 40 liters per minute. For even higher water drainage, we have a trap available with a flow rate of up to 58 liters per minute. Here, though, we're looking at an installation height of 105 millimeters at the flange. The drains have a tray width of 71 millimeters and can be connected to DN50 or DN40 waste pipes. The load class is K3, so they can easily handle up to 300 kilos. The installation process is made significantly easier thanks to the inclusion of adjustable feet, which allow the drain to be set with absolute precision to the exact height you require. When compared directly to our professional Alca drain series that features a fixed trap, this rotating trap series provides you with much greater flexibility during the installation process. Furthermore, you will find that our rotating trap drains are conveniently sold as a complete single package that also includes a versatile double-sided grate. You can easily find these items at any local home improvement store. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.